Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Mountman 12,000 BTU Mini Split AC and heating system. I've looked through the internet, checked specifications, and read user impressions so you can get a clear idea of whether this system is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The Mountman Mini Split is a 19 SEER2 energy-efficient system that operates on standard 110/120ths of a volt, making it suitable for most residential setups without complex wiring. With a 12,000 BTU capacity, it can cool or heat spaces up to 750 Sq.Ft, making it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or small apartments. It comes with a pre-charged condenser, heat pump, and all installation kits, which makes setup easier than traditional HVAC systems. One of the most appealing features of this system is its ductless inverter technology. Unlike traditional ACs that turn on and off repeatedly, the inverter continuously adjusts power to maintain your desired temperature. This not only improves comfort by reducing temperature swings but also saves energy, which is why it earns a 19 SEER2 efficiency rating. Users online report significant energy savings compared to older window or portable units. The Mountman Mini Split is also quiet, which is a big plus if you plan to use it in bedrooms or workspaces. It has a modern sleek design that blends with most interiors, and the heat pump function ensures year-round use, cooling in summer and warming in winter. The included installation kit makes it easier for homeowners or professional installers to get the system running quickly without extra purchases. From reading user reviews online, people appreciate how easy it is to install compared with larger, traditional HVAC systems, as well as its efficient performance and reliable temperature control. Some users note that for optimal performance, proper installation and placement of the indoor and outdoor units are important, but this is true for all mini split systems. Overall, feedback is largely positive, especially for those upgrading from smaller AC units or looking for a flexible heating and cooling solution. So the big question: should you buy the Mountman 12,000 BTU Mini Split AC heating system? Based on specifications and real-world feedback, I'd say yes, if you want an energy-efficient, ductless system that handles both cooling and heating for small to medium-sized spaces. Its inverter technology, quiet operation, and full installation kit make it convenient and effective for modern homes. If you're looking for a reliable, energy-efficient solution that keeps your home comfortable year-round without taking up floor space or needing ducts, the Mountman 12,000 BTU Mini Split is definitely worth considering. And that's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video and want more honest reviews of home appliances and HVAC solutions, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.